17. It felt like being adrift at sea. School was a churning ocean of expectations. Friendships, a confusing dance of currents, pulling you in different directions. And me? I was just trying to keep my head above water. My name is Finn, and this is the story of how I learned to ride the wave. I always felt like I was searching for something. A passion, a purpose, a place where I truly belonged. School hallways echoed with the laughter of classmates who seemed to have it all figured out. Me? I was stuck in the awkward in-between, unsure of who I was or who I wanted to be. Every day felt like a struggle to stay afloat. The weight of expectations, both my own and those of others, pressed down on me. I longed for something more, a sense of direction, a glimmer of excitement in the monotony. Little did I know, an unexpected wave was about to crash into my life. It arrived in the form of a flyer, tacked haphazardly onto the school notice board. Surf Camp, Find Your Flow. The words jumped out at me, a lifeline in a sea of boredom. Surfing? It seemed exciting, terrifying, and completely out of my comfort zone. Maybe that was the point. My parents were hesitant at first. Surfing seemed frivolous, a distraction from the important things like exams and university applications. But something in my eyes, a spark of genuine excitement, must have convinced them. Maybe they saw it as a harmless way to expend some energy, a break from the monotony. The bus journey to the coast was filled with a nervous anticipation. I was stepping into the unknown, a world far removed from my everyday life. As the salty air filled my lungs, I couldn't help but feel a sense of liberation. This wasn't just a surf camp, it was a chance to reinvent myself, to ride a new wave of possibility. The first time I stood on a surfboard, I was a wobbly mess. The ocean seemed vast and unforgiving, the board an unstable platform beneath my feet. Laughter erupted from the other campers, their ease and grace in stark contrast to my clumsy attempts. I felt a flush of self-consciousness, the familiar sting of inadequacy. But then, something shifted. Our instructor, a weathered surfer with a calm demeanor, pulled me aside. "Surfing is about finding your balance," he said, his voice steady and reassuring. "It's not about perfection, it's about learning to ride the wave even when it feels like it's going to knock you down." His words resonated with me. Maybe life wasn't about having it all figured out, but about learning to navigate the ups and downs. I took a deep breath, feeling the fear recede, replaced by a quiet determination. I was going to conquer this wave, one clumsy attempt at a time. Of course, things didn't go exactly to plan. Learning to surf was a humbling experience, a constant cycle of trying, falling, and trying again. There were moments of exhilaration, the fleeting joy of catching a wave and riding it to shore.